All right, I want to just do a quick review of this TV cart here. As you can see, I have a 42-inch TV, and this is an older TV, so it's a little bit heavier than 42-inch TVs made today. And I also have an Xbox Series X on the little bottom shelf right here. So this was actually really easy to put together. It has a very nice base, which puts more of the load on the front, which is good because the TV can lean forward as well. As you can see on the back, this does have a very universal way of connecting to the TV. And then the little back area right here can be adjusted for the tilt of the TV. You also get some cable management going down in two areas so that you can run power down and have cords go down. As you can see, I am using an extension cord. So if I move it around the house, I can just plug it right in, and that plugs in both the Xbox and the TV. Now this shelf here is very, very sturdy, and I haven't had any issues with the Xbox Series X sitting on it. And I even have room for like a pair of headphones or a controller or something like that. The wheels do lock, so if you wanted to lock them in place, it would no longer move. And they roll very smoothly, and they do go over transitions and floors very easily as well. So overall, very happy with this TV cart, and I would highly recommend it.